Hey, how are you today? Today I would like to talk about verbs. And in case you're wondering, I'm recording at night and there are a lot of crickets out there, so maybe it will interfere with the sound. So, verbs are doing what, as you know, and I'll just show you the verbs and teach you how to pronounce them in Luo. That is the most important part for today. Let's go. Sleep is Nindo. Nindo. Wake is Chiewo. Chiewo. Play, Tugo. Tugo. Read, Somo. Somo. Write, Ndiko. Ndiko. Sing, Wer. Wer. Dance, Miel. Miel. Pray, Lemo. Lemo. Cook, Tedo. Tedo. Eat, Chiemo. Chiemo. Drink, Madho. Madho. Come, Biro. Biro. Go, Di. Di. Walk, Wuotho. Wuotho. Run, Ringo. Ringo. So I'll just go through them again. Nindo. Chiewo. Tugo. Somo. Ndiko. Wer. Miel. Lemo. Tedo. Chiemo. Madho. Biro. Dhi. Wuotho. Ringo. Good. So just look out for the second part of this video, and we maybe will include some pictures and just look out for the second part of the video. Thank you for watching, and bye.